If you are a creator trying to turn long videos into non-stop short-form content without losing your mind, I think I found a game changer. Today, I want to walk you through a powerful tool called Vizard that essentially acts like a full content engine for your brand. At its core, Vizard is an AI-powered assistant that scans your long-form videos to automatically extract the absolute best, most engaging moments. It goes way beyond just chopping up silence because it functions as your editor, your social media manager, and your scheduler all in one. Instead of wasting hours on manual editing or spending a fortune on expensive outside help, you can let the AI handle the heavy lifting. Vizard actually understands context, looking for audience hooks, emotional spikes, and punchlines that typically perform well online. Getting started is incredibly simple, and you can just jump right in with a standard email or single sign-on. Once you upload a long webinar or a podcast, the AI starts scanning the footage and creates a library of high-potential clips in just a few minutes. What I really love is the level of control you have, because you are not just hoping for the best with random clips. Every single clip is fully editable, meaning you can easily tweak the crop, adjust the subtitles, and polish the text overlays. The AI even suggests trending hashtags and captions that are specifically tailored to the context of your unique content. One of the absolute biggest time savers is the auto editing for viral clips feature, which ranks content based on likelihood to go viral. You can sort your clips by that viral score and push your top 5 picks straight into your drafts for final review. Then there is the auto schedule feature, which ensures your content machine never stops running even when you are busy doing other things. You just tell Vizard how often you want to post, and it populates your calendar with clips that fit your specific time slots. Because it integrates directly with Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, it can actually publish for you when the time is right. The content calendar itself gives you a high-level visual view of what is scheduled, what is posted, and your overall performance metrics. If you are managing a larger team or multiple shows, you can even create different channels and assign specific clips to your teammates. For podcasters, Vizard is fantastic at taking a long episode and pulling out 12 punchy moments in just a few clicks. If you are a gamer, it can hunt down your most clutch plays and laugh breaks to turn your streams into daily highlight reels. If you are a course creator, you can use these bite-sized teasers to feed your marketing funnels and reach new students. Compared to other tools, Vizard occupies a perfect sweet spot by actually creating the clips for you rather than just helping you manage them. I think the best approach is definitely human in the loop, where the AI does the heavy lifting and you handle the final polish. There are even some great collaboration features where your team can comment on drafts and set specific permissions before you hit publish. If you want the best results, always upload your raw files in the highest quality possible so the algorithms can work their magic. Also, do not be afraid to use the AI's caption suggestions as a foundation, because they tend to be remarkably accurate and fast. One hidden gem is the Remix feature, which lets you instantly take a successful clip and output it in a different format or language. This is perfect for doubling down on the content you already know is performing well with your specific audience. If you are serious about scaling your channels, removing the watermark with a paid plan is totally worth the investment. Ultimately, Vizard is not a magic button for creativity, but it definitely turns the grinding, repetitive tasks into an automated workflow. You can try out their free tier to test your first episode and see exactly how the AI processes your footage. Set aside one afternoon to upload your backlog, and you will be surprised how much content you can generate in just a few hours. Thanks for hanging out with me during this walkthrough, and let me know in the comments what kind of content you are currently creating. I would love to help you figure out a specific workflow for your videos, so drop a note and I will see you in the next one.